Hi, I'm Megha Joshi and Megzi Pop for you. I know you know this by now. Today we're going to do a healthy recipe of fries. It's going to be the carrots and potato fries tossed. Really interesting. But before we get started, please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates of my recipes. Before we proceed, you know what to do. Please take a screenshot of the ingredients so that you could refer to it later on. What we're going to do first is take our potatoes that we've cut just like the way you cut French fries, thin and long. We're going to put that on our baking tray nicely, evenly. Then we're going to take our carrots, which I've cut in the same way, thin, long, just like French fries. And we're going to put that with our potatoes. So I've used potatoes and carrots, but you are most welcome to use zucchini, sweet potato. The choice is yours. What we're going to do now is bake these in the oven at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. And my chips are nicely baked. What we're going to do now is we're going to saute the onions along with the other masalas, and then we're going to add these chips to the masala. So let's get started. I'm just going to put my stove on. Now we're going to add butter. Then we're going to add some garlic. That's just finely chopped. Then we're going to add a little bit of green chilies, which is my favorite. And you all know this by now, I hope. And lastly, we're going to add the onions for now. See, I've cut the onions long and thin. I'm going to give it a stir. Okay, so I'm sauteing the onions. Just going to make it nice and golden brown. Light, not too dark. You've noticed I've not added the salt yet. I'd add it once I've added the potato and carrot chips to it. Okay, and my onions are looking amazing. Now we're ready to add the potatoes and the carrots to the sauteed onions. You're really going to enjoy this, and kids also will enjoy this. Everybody loves French fries. We're going to have carrot and potato French fries. And there we go. I'm just going to give it a stir. Okay, it's mixed. I'm going to add the salt now. Okay, obviously to taste. Stir. Because we've baked the potato and the carrot chips, it's not going to take much longer to cook, because all we're doing is just quickly tossing it so we get all our flavors on the chips. I'm going to add some tomato ketchup to this now. Okay, so it's almost ready. We're just going to add the black and the white sesame seeds for the crunch. Here goes our white sesame seeds. And we're going to add the black sesame seeds. Beautiful colors. All right, now it's ready and it's time for plating. And my potato and carrot tossed chips are ready. If you guys have liked my recipe today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. Before I go, I'm going to quickly try this.